Why is bone broth good for you? Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to look at the various health benefits of consuming bone broth. Bone broth is rich in amino acids and minerals and is one of the best sources of collagen in the world, and it's made from boiled animal bones. Now, unfortunately, nowadays many people are deficient in collagen, which can lead to stiff joints, sagging skin and weak bones. And at the end of the video we'll explain how to actually make bone broth, but to begin with let's look at the actual health benefits. Joint and bone health. Bone broth is the best food source in the world for strengthening bones, joints and helping to relieve joint pain. And it's rich in natural collagen, which is the main structural protein in the body, which makes up bones, joints, ligaments, cartilage, tendons and connective tissues. Skin health. Foods that are rich in collagen, such as bone broth, help to form elastin in the skin, and this helps to prevent the skin from sagging and slows down the aging process since we lose collagen as we get older. Hair and nail growth. Many people have reported thicker, healthier hair and stronger nails when consuming bone broth on a regular basis, and this is because the amino acids and minerals in the broth are used as a raw material to build strong hair follicles and also help nourish the nail bed, which promotes health and growth. Muscle growth. Bone broth can help support faster muscle growth and repair, and this is because it's rich in amino acids and collagen, and these are the raw materials that are used to help build muscle tissue, so it's highly popular with bodybuilders and athletes. Gut health. Bone broth helps aid digestion since it strengthens the lining of the gut, and bone broth is rich in amino acids and collagen, which builds the walls of the intestines and colon and can therefore help fight IBS. And by supporting a healthy gut, bone broth also helps you grow friendly bacteria called probiotics, and these help your body absorb more nutrients from other foods and also make up over 70% of the immune system. Blood pressure. The walls of your blood vessels and arteries are made up of collagen, which can deteriorate with age, so consuming bone broth can help to reduce inflammation and allow for better blood flow, and this helps to stabilise blood pressure and protect against heart problems. How to make. Purchase some beef and chicken bones and place the bones in a large pot with water. Add a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and bring to the boil, and then simmer for 24 hours on a very low heat, and the amino acids, minerals and collagen will then leach from the bones into the water, which at the end can be strained and stored in a glass jar. And you can add bone broth into many meals such as soups and stir fries, and even drink it as a tea. So as you can see, bone broth is one of the best sources of protein and collagen in the world, and it offers amazing health benefits. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.